giving the TRX. Let's check the comment here. Yeah, these are our winners. Please, if you are watching this video, these are our winners. I will take them out now. Yes, this one is one of them. 8-5. I'll give you them 4 TRX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the last guy here. Okay, he has 2 accounts there. Okay. Everybody that commented on the videos, the access to the giveaway. If you are watching this video now, drop your TRX wallet, drop it in this video, or you can message me directly in my WhatsApp. Okay, let's get started to today's video. Today's video I will show you how to earn BTC every 10 hours with your smartphone. Let's get started. Let's go to our Chrome browser. The search we are using today is OX Cash. I'll be dropping the link in the description below so that you can see. People that are doing it, you can slide your phone so that you can view it, you can see it very well. This site have been around 6 days ago. I'll be paying massively. It's an investment platform. The minimum to invest is just $1. Minimum is $1. You can invest any cryptocurrency, maybe DOGE, TRX, BTC, but every 13 hours you'll be earning massive profits. Yet, let's check the plan here before you register. This one is hourly profit. This one you'll be earning 11% every hour. But don't stress yourself. You can go for the 10 hours. But if you want to be not too much, you can go for the one of plan 3. And the plan 1, the minimum is $1. The minimum is $1. And the second one, the minimum too is $1. It's very profitable. You'll be earning 27% every then. Yes, but if you have $1, you can go the minimum of, can go to this one of 10 hours and make limit every 10 hours. And you can also withdraw. It's very easy. But if you have $10, you can go for this one, be earning 1020% every day. These are the plan here. Okay, the first thing you're going to register. Click on the register button here. So register. Going to register. Okay. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put your full name, your username, your email, and you type your email and you put your password and confirm your password. Then log into our account here. Okay, log into account. Yes, it is very easy to invest here. Yes, you can copy your referral link at the top of the there. Copy it. Copy. So let's check their plan again. We want to invest in this platform. Okay. You want to deposit, is very simple. Click on this deposit here. You have each miner you want to go for. This one is for 11 hours hourly, but you are targeting the one of 10 hours. amount you deposit is just $1 there. Okay, you can go for this one on top here, click on it. Go for the one of, okay, yes, you can go for the one of the $10 and the one of $1 for every 10 hours. You can also go for any one there. Yes, to deposit. After clicking on the one you want to go for, let's say we are going for the one of 27% for 10 hours. Every 10 hours you'll be mining it. Just easy as that. Let's say you want to deposit through TRS. Click on your TRS. After that, yes, amount to send is, I see here, amount to send is what? $1. It's $1. You click on the TRS there, open on it. Okay, you see send money. Check out it down there. You see send money. Yes, yeah. You're going for the plan of $10. No. Okay, sorry, you're going the plan of $1. Yes. You're going to send 18 TRS to this address. You copy the address. Yes, you copy the address. To copy the address, you go to your Trust wallet or your Binance to make the transfer, and every 13 hours you can come here to come and claim it. Let's say you start with $1, and in every 10 hours you'll be earning 27%. That means you're earning at least, let's say, $2. Hours of 10 hours, earning $2. Yeah, after you have made the payment, after you have copied the address here, copy the address. Make sure the one you copied is correct. Yes, copied it. After done with copy, yes, you click on, after you have made the payment, click on done. Yes, so let's read deposit confirmation. I'm going to confirm now. As we have deposit, it will confirm. But yes, to withdraw is very simple. Just click on this, click on withdraw. Make sure you have capital there. Yes, like this account now. This is my second account. I don't have any balance here. Yeah, let's see it's CRS you deposited there. Click on this. How to set your payments? How to set it? Yes, this account here. Okay, you look for the TRX address. Yes, you put your TRS there. Make sure this is your own. This one is the company one. After you are done with that one, you come down here and you click on change account details. That is how to withdraw, and you come to this withdraw there. After setting it finish, you come to here again. You can withdraw successfully. Learn something new in this video. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below and share about this video. We're already making money from this video. Comment below, let me know how you feel about this video. See you in my next video.